I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Crème. Crème, if ever you haven't heard about them, they are the official best egg tart of Cebu for 2020. So I am really excited to eat and to share about this award-winning egg tart. What I really like also in their packaging, kinaga ng instructions on saan siya pag-reheat ug saan siya pag-store. You can have a dozen of mini cream tarts for 200 pesos, and for the classic size, 6 pieces at 200 pesos also. And you can have a half and half for 250 pesos. So mga una dayon ta guys, and I think mauna kadaog ni siya for the best egg tart in Cebu because balance ang iyang lami sa pagka-egg as well ang sayahang pagka-creamy, and perfect kayo ang crust kay flaky kaayo. Kanang mura makaburot gali kog usa ka box dayon diretso. Bitaw guys, but always remember to eat in proper proportions and to brush your teeth after eating. And lastly, to follow me in all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!